Welcome back. Now that you've learned how to allocate like the wealthy, it's time to go one level deeper, because smart allocation is not enough. You need a system, a machine that compounds your actions while you sleep. That machine is your wealth engine. This chapter will help you design yours. What is a wealth engine? It is a set of interconnected systems that earn you money passively or semi-passively, reinvest those earnings intelligently, and scale over time with minimal additional effort. This is what separates people who hustle endlessly for income from people who compound wealth while on vacation. The 4 core components of a wealth engine. Number 1, input, capital, and time. Your capital is either money you've earned, like salary or side income, or the time and energy you can invest. Your early stage. You start with what you have. Even 500 rupees or $10 can be fuel if used correctly. Number 2, multipliers. Assets that scale. As covered earlier, digital products, content platforms, stock and crypto portfolios, real estate, and tools. These are where the real leverage lives. Your job is to move from linear income to leveraged income. Number 3, systems, automation and delegation. You must eliminate the bottleneck, you. Automate your savings and investments. Use AI to research, write, and analyze. Hire freelancers to edit, market, and distribute. The best wealth engines are clockwork efficient, run on autopilot, and are audited and improved monthly. Number 4, feedback loop. Learn, tweak, grow. Every month, check your cash flow, review asset growth, optimize costs, and upgrade systems. Treat your finances like a startup, because that's what it is. A venture called You Incorporated. Here's a sample wealth engine in action. Let's say you start a faceless YouTube channel. You post weekly videos. You monetize through ads and affiliate links. You use profits to buy ETFs and crypto. You automate all reinvestment. You hire a part-time assistant to manage posts. You use AI to research and script. Now your content becomes a long-term asset. Your revenue gets reinvested. Your time is freed up. You're no longer working for money. Your machine is. The wealth engine mindset. Here's what you must believe. I can earn in my sleep. My job is to build systems, not just hustle. Every rupee or dollar is a soldier, and I must deploy wisely. This mindset transforms how you view money, how you spend time, and how you measure progress. Getting started today. You don't need 6 months. You need 1 hour. Choose your core asset, content, product, or investment. Set up automation, SIPs, savings, or email responders. Dedicate weekly review time. Build slowly, but never stop. Start small, iterate fast, compound forever. Wealth engines are not built overnight, but once built, they run forever. Coming next. In the next chapter, we go into something most creators and investors ignore: psychological protection. Because no matter how good your system is, if your mindset breaks under pressure, the whole engine collapses. In Chapter 7, we'll explore how to build emotional anti-fragility and long-term wealth conviction. Let's make your mindset as powerful as your money. Welcome back. So far, you've learned systems, tools, and strategies, but all of it will break if you do. Because money isn't just mathematics, it's psychology, and your financial destiny is shaped more by your mind than by the market. So in this chapter, we're going to upgrade the software of your soul, the beliefs, behaviors, and emotional frameworks that the wealthy live by, and schools never even mention. Let's begin. Rich mindset rule number 1. Time is greater than money. Poor people trade time for money. The rich trade money for time. If your only way to earn is by clocking in hours, you're capped. But when you value time more than cash, you outsource what drains you. You automate what repeats. You free yourself to scale. Remember, anyone can earn 10 lakh rupees. Few can earn back a lost year. Rich mindset rule number 2. Conviction beats noise. Markets will crash. AI will disrupt. Jobs will be lost. And most people will panic. But the wealthy? They train for turbulence. They study history. They build emotional buffers. They develop unshakable conviction in their strategy. Because wealth is not built in bull runs. It's built in bear markets. By those who don't flinch. Most people overreact to short-term fear and underinvest in long-term freedom. Don't be most people. Rich mindset rule number 3. Scarcity is a program, not reality. You were told, money is hard to make. You need a job to survive. Play it safe. But let me ask you, did you decide that? Or were you downloaded with it? Rich understand. Scarcity is manufactured by media, by outdated institutions, by fear-based systems. Abundance is not a feeling. It's a discipline. You build it by creating value, solving real problems, and playing the long game. Rich mindset rule number 5. Play infinite games. Poor people chase short wins, quick profits, and viral trends. The rich play long-term brand, compounding trust and wealth across generations. They build relationships. They build reputation. They build resilience. You're not in a race. You're in a lifetime game. Don't sprint. Build. Final truth. Your beliefs write your blueprint. And if you don't rewrite the code, you'll run the same poverty programs as your parents, your teachers, and your society. But once you flip the switch inside, everything outside begins to align. In the next chapter, we go fully tactical. The global investment blueprint for 2025 and beyond. Where should you put your money? What's the safest path? What are the smart risks? I'll show you exactly how the smartest people are deploying capital right now. But only if your mindset is ready. Welcome to the most practical chapter of them all. Let's be honest. By now you've heard the work on your mindset advice 1,000 times. But what you really want to know is, where do I put my money today? And you're right to ask. Because 2025 is not 2015. And what worked even 3 years ago is now obsolete. In this chapter, I'll show you how the smartest investors in the world are positioning, the asset classes that are rising, and how to avoid the landmines most people will step on. Step 1. Think global, not local. Stop thinking like a citizen of one country. Start thinking like a global investor. Here's why. Your currency is weakening. Your opportunities are limited by geography. Digital assets have no borders. Your portfolio should reflect the global reality. Use platforms like Interactive Brokers, Vested, or Swissborg. Diversify across the US, India, Singapore, UAE, and emerging markets. Key global ETFs to study: VTI, QILD, INDA, and VT. Step 2. Bet on innovation carefully. The future belongs to AI, decentralized finance, renewable energy, longevity, and biotech, and robotics. But don't chase hype. Instead, study companies with patents, revenues, and strong teams. Use thematic ETFs like ARK, IBB, and BOTS. Limit exposure to 10 to 15% of your portfolio. Risk is fine. Ruin is not. Step 3. Crypto. Not just coins, but infrastructure. The next cycle of crypto is not about meme coins. It's about real yield protocols, tokenized real-world assets, and scalable networks. Recommended exposure: Bitcoin, 30 to 50% of your crypto bucket. Ethereum, 30 to 40%. The rest in DeFi, staking, and real-world assets. Use cold storage, staking platforms, and solid research tools. Crypto is no longer speculation, it's infrastructure. Step 4. Real estate. A hybrid approach. Don't just buy to live, buy to earn. Options include co-living spaces in Tier 2 cities, REITs, farmland investments, and Airbnb rental models. But be careful. Post-pandemic, commercial real estate is high risk. Your house is not an investment unless it cash flows. Step 5. Income layer. Yield is king. The new rich are not chasing just capital gains. They are building income portfolios that pay monthly. Examples include covered call ETFs, high dividend stocks, crypto staking, and peer-to-peer lending on trusted platforms. Build multiple income streams so your base is protected. Bonus: don't just invest. Track. Use dashboards, spreadsheets, and portfolio apps. Know your net worth, asset allocation, monthly cash flow, and drawdown tolerance. If you don't track it, you won't protect it. Final thoughts. 2025 is not a year to be passive. It's a year to be positioned. Inflation is a tax. The system is a game. The winner? The one who understands the board. In the final chapter, we'll tie it all together. How to protect your gains, prepare for shocks, and walk forward with confidence, not fear. Get ready for the final blueprint. Congratulations. If you've come this far, you're not just a viewer, you're a seeker. And seekers don't chase shiny objects. They build empires, quietly, daily, permanently. This final chapter is about preservation, pivoting under pressure, and playing the long game. Because wealth isn't just about what you build, it's about what you keep and who you become. 1. Protect. Prepare for chaos, not certainty. The economy will shift, markets will wobble, AI will disrupt, politics will divide. That's not pessimism, it's probability. The wealthy aren't caught off guard because they have emergency funds, ensure what matters, store information in systems, and diversify beyond local assets. Protection is not weakness, it's stability in motion. Build moats, backup plans, and exit routes, and then move forward boldly. 2. Pivot. When the world changes, adapt. There will be recessions, layoffs, and crashes, but also breakthroughs, surges, and openings. The game is not to resist change, it's to ride it. Ask yourself, what skill can I learn in 100 days that increases my value? What tools can I master? AI, finance, writing, video. What old beliefs do I need to discard? Pivoting means starting a new income stream, reskilling into a future-proof domain, and letting go of sunk costs. You don't need to be fearless. You just need to be fluid. 3. Play long. The 10-year game plan. Now ask, where will I be in 2035? Most people don't think past next weekend. You think in decades. Here's how the wealthy do it. They build assets that age well. Intellectual property, brand, equity. They compound attention, capital, and credibility. They raise families that inherit wisdom, not just money. Every dollar you invest is a seed. Every system you build is a tree. Every habit you form is a forest in the making. So play long, ignore the noise, and plant today what will feed you and your lineage. Tomorrow, final call to action. You've just been given the blueprint. Others charge thousands for this, but you got it for free because this channel is on a mission to make wealth education accessible, deep, and real. So here's what you do next. Watch part 1 if you missed it. It covers chapters 1 to 5. Binge the Wealth Mastery playlist. Subscribe if you want lifelong financial literacy and action-packed content with no fluff. Comment below. What part hit you hardest? What will you act on this week? Share this video with your family, friends, or anyone stuck in the 9-to-5 trap. Because this is not just a video, it's your turning point. Your salary will not save you, but your strategy can. Thank you for watching. Thank you for seeking truth. See you in the next documentary. Stay sharp, stay free.